Hey guys, how's it going? Welcome to another video here on the K-Tech channel. Today I'm bringing you the unboxing and first impressions of this new release, the Realme 16 Pro Plus. And Realme really put a lot of effort into this release. In this video, we'll check out whether it's worth buying or not. After watching this video, if you want to buy it, you'll find the link in the description to purchase from local stock in Brazil, tax-free, and have it delivered to your home without any issues. And before I do the unboxing for you, don't forget to leave that like, which is really important. Check if you're subscribed to the channel, turn on the notification bell, and if you can share it, that'll help a lot too, alright? And for those who don't know, I also run 100% legal giveaways audited by Lotepe. Just go to our website, premiosdorodrigo.com.br. I'll also leave the link here in the video description for you so you can check out what's new over there. Remember that I only do giveaways of top-of-the-line devices. I'll also leave the link to our groups here in the video description, from WhatsApp and Telegram for daily deals and promotions, alright? And now let's get to the unboxing and initial review with first impressions of this beauty, Realme 16 Pro Plus 5G. Let's get into the video. Let's do it. Starting the unboxing with a gray box featuring the model prominently, we also see mentions of artificial intelligence and 5G. Opening the box, we have an envelope with the SIM ejector tool, warranty certificate, and quick start guide. In addition to the charging and data transfer cable with USB Type-A on one end and USB Type-C on the other, we also have a transparent silicone case. Now we finally have the smartphone, and as you can already see, we have a curved edge display. You know, the European version doesn't include a charger but supports up to 80-watt charging. The version sold in Brazil does come with the charger included. Just a reminder, it doesn't support wireless charging. And now with the device already in hand, all set up, we have a very beautiful AMOLED screen, man. 6.8 inches with over 1 billion colors, a refresh rate of 144 Hz HDR10+, and a maximum brightness of 6,500 nits. This screen is insanely beautiful, man. Really awesome. It has an excellent grip, weighing 198 grams with a thickness of 8.1 millimeters. This matte gray kind of rubberized finish gives the device excellent grip. And it looks really nice too. The camera module highlighted in silver also looks awesome. For sure, guys, it definitely deserves that nice smack on the back. On the right side, we have the power button and the volume up and down buttons. On the top, there's a noise-canceling microphone and an infrared sensor. The left side has nothing, it's all smooth, and on the bottom, there's a dual SIM card tray. 5G microphone, USB Type-C port for charging and data transfer, and stereo speakers. And let's start, as always, by talking about artificial intelligence, which already comes pre-installed on it, called Next AI. We have AI-powered writing, AI translation, and also an AI camera, which frames your photo perfectly. Even if you're taking a crooked photo, it will adjust the frame, you know? It will give you that perfect professional framing. It also gives you game tips, guys. You get real-time on-screen tips during your matches, and also the Smart Loop with AI, where you can share any content that's showing on your screen with just a simple tap. As for the battery, guys, we've got a 7000 mAh silicon carbon battery, absolutely insane. Just look how thin this device is. Running PC Mark, it lasted 19 hours and 35 minutes on. Guys, that's basically 20 hours on running the test here, okay? That will reflect in your daily use. Approximately 15 up to 17 hours of use, okay? So that means you'll have the device for 2 days of use without needing to recharge it. As long as you use it normally, not in an extremely hardcore way, you'll have 2 days of battery life with it easily, without much effort. And now let's go to the processor test I did with this guy here. Snapdragon 7 Gen 4 built on a 4nm process, reaching 1,447,000 points on Antutu. A very good score, heating up to 35 degrees and using up 4% of the battery. And now let's run some footage playing COD Mobile with it. Remember that the maximum quality it supports here for graphics is very high and the frame rate is set to maximum. I maxed everything out so you can get an idea of how smooth it is. Guys, it's running really smoothly, super smooth and fluid. You'll have processor power for a long time. You don't need to worry about that. This guy comes with IP68 and IP69K certification, supporting high-pressure water jets and submersion for up to 2 meters in 30 minutes. But I always say this here, guys, be careful. It just means your phone has an extra layer of protection from the manufacturer, okay? But yes, it can handle it. It's super resistant. As for the operating system, we have Realme UI 7 running with Android 16 on the device, and it also has NFC connectivity for making contactless payments. And of course, Android Auto is great too. On-screen fingerprint unlock and facial unlock, both are very fast, okay? They work really well. And guys, there are 5 versions of this device, okay? 8GB RAM with 128GB, 8GB, 256GB, 8GB, 512GB, 12GB, 512GB, and 12GB, 256GB. And it doesn't support memory expansion. It supports 2 5G nano SIM cards or a nano SIM card and an eSIM, or even 2 eSIMs. Remember that it only supports 2 active calls at the same time on the device. Now let's go to the audio and video test of this little guy here. Alright guys, audio and video test of the Realme 16 Pro Plus. Let's put it at maximum and check the quality.
Avançado.
Advanced 2160p. Let's max the brightness. The volume's already at 300% C. Now let's grab this and use the tweezers. There you go, huh? Stereo sound. Very good. The screen looks beautiful too. Love it, right? Guys, this device has excellent audio and image quality. The thin bezels and edge screen look beautiful and the stereo sound is great. The screen brightness, man, is excellent, fantastic, really good brightness. The color quality is also excellent. I liked it a lot. Now let's start talking about the cameras. On the front, we have a 50 megapixel camera. I'm already recording in 4K at 60 FPS with HDR. Incredible, right? Now let's check out some photos and videos taken with its front camera.
And here we are, guys, front camera of the Realme 16 Pro Plus 4K at 60 FPS. Look at this awesome image. Check out the stabilization, it's great. The HDR as well, since I'm in the shade now. Look here, everything is showing up. And look what I have back here now. Parc des Princes, PSG Stadium. Hey kid, come here. Daddy's going to get you, come here. Look, come here. Here, look. Taking a walk and recording. Here it is for you. Look, front camera. Shall we walk a little? Come walk a little. I go to the pool, Daddy. Do you want to go on my shoulders, man? Come here, let's walk a little here. Let's go this way. Now the sun is coming out. Look at that. The sun is shining right in front of us. Just so you can get an idea here. Look, Daddy, I want to go up here. I'll get you in a second, son. All right, the quality is really good. Really good. Now the sun is shining right in front of us here. Look. Hey, that's awesome, huh? The sky is so blue up there. Wonderful. Front camera, Realme 16 Pro Plus 4K 60 FPS. Much love, guys. Big thanks. And we're here now, guys. Nighttime front camera, 4K 60 FPS on the Realme 16 Pro Plus back there in the background. There's the tower. Let me show you here. Look. Look over there. Eiffel Tower. The lights just turned on a little while ago. Let's walk around a bit here. And for those who don't know much about the history here, I'm right in front of the church in Montmartre. I'm just testing this for you, okay? Let's go. Let me walk a little more here so you can see the church over there. And go ahead and check out the microphone and stabilization too. Let's see if it's going to make the image grainy here at night. It looks like my skin is oily, sweaty, but it's not, okay? It looks like my face is kind of like a wax figure, right? But it's all good here. Look, now here we'll be able to get closer so you can see the church. Thank you. Just walk a little bit more. Now it's really dark here. Here's the spot where the cable car is. Where you come up to get here? There's no lighting here at all. All the floodlights are off. Now it's just the car headlights lighting this place. And back here is the church. Montmartre Church. But that's it. There you go then. Front camera at night. Realme 16 Pro Plus 4K 60 FPS done.
Guys, it's really awesome. Top quality. I liked it a lot. Both photos and videos, day and night. I think the quality is really good. But comment below what you think. And now on the back, guys, there are 3 cameras. A main one with 200 megapixels and OIS stabilization. A second one is a 50 megapixel periscope telephoto, also with OIS stabilization and 3.5 times optical zoom. And a third one is an 8 megapixel ultra wide. All of this also records at 4K 60 FPS with HDR. Let's go. Let's take photos and videos now with the rear cameras, and we'll be right back to give our final thoughts and wrap up our video.
And here we are, guys, recording with the rear camera of the Realme 16 Pro Plus at 4K 60 FPS main rear camera. Look where I am. Right here in Paris, man, in front of the Parc des Princes, PSG's stadium. It's closed for visits today. Anyway, it's kind of complicated, kind of deserted here. But anyway, we came to see what it's like, to check it out. And to make the most of it, we brought the device to get a little work done too, right? Let's get it now. Let me see here where I can zoom in. Let's check out that sign over there on the pole. Let's zoom in here. I'm filming in 4K 60. Okay, guys? 18x zoom, look. Excellent quality, really good resolution. It just doesn't stabilize that much, and it also doesn't switch to the wide angle, okay? Let's check the focus here now. Very fast. I'm walking a little here so you can see it stabilizes really well here. And very good, very good. Wonderful. Here it is for you, 4K rear camera, 4K 60 Realme 16 Pro Plus. And here we are now, guys, rear camera on the Realme 16 Pro Plus. 4K 60 FPS, let's zoom in here, look. Then when it switches lenses, let's see here. Yeah, here it has an aperture with, it's a lens with better light capture. Look, when it goes to 3.5, which is 80 millimeters, it already switches lenses. Then the light intake becomes much more limited. Now here at 18x, you can see that the quality is still good. It doesn't get too grainy, right? It's very dark there where I'm filming from. But look, the distance is also very big, okay? But here for you, I'm here in front of the Montmartre Church, Paris, France. And everyone here is sitting, admiring the city, right? Everyone just sits there, looking around and taking it all in. The stairs, the church is completely packed here, a lot of people. And there it is for you. Rear camera, Realme 16 Pro Plus, 4K 60 at night, done.
Guys, just like with the front camera, I really like the results from the rear cameras, okay? Maybe there's just a little bit of quality missing when you zoom in. At maximum zoom, it gets a bit grainy, but quality is barely reduced. But remember, this is a premium mid-range device, not a flagship, so it won't compete with the top models on the market. It's mid-range. So still, in my opinion, it delivers a lot. It turned out really good. Both daytime and nighttime photos. Photos and videos, I like them a lot for a device in this category, okay? But that's it. Let's go now to our final summary with positive and negative points, in my opinion, starting with the positive points. Design. Monstrous battery. Processor. 80-watt fast charging, a beautiful AMOLED screen. Its certifications, IP68 and IP69K. And I would also list the cameras as a positive point. And now, for the negative points, I would mention the absence of wireless charging, since this device does not offer wireless charging. As I mentioned, the zoom quality on the periscope camera also isn't much improved, but that's minor. What about you? I'd like your opinion. What did you think of the Realme 16 Pro Plus 5G? Did you like the device in the video? Leave a like if you didn't already at the start of the video. Make sure you're subscribed and the notification bell is on. And if you can also share this video, it will help a lot. And don't forget to leave your comment with your opinion about what you thought of this little guy here. All right? That's it, guys. We're in this together. Thank you all very much. God bless you. Big hug and see you next time. Thanks. I'm out. I'm free.